All right, so welcome back to our last episode of Smart Contract Design. Today we're going to be looking at a voting system. So that's going to require an ERC20 token fee to participate. And the smart contract is going to allow users to propose topics and vote on them. So I've also built a mock token to make it easy to demonstrate and an automation script to handle the deployment interactions. All right, so let's look at the smart contract logic, shall we? So here, let's look at the contract itself. At the top of our voting system contract, we define the rules of engagement. We interface with the ERC20 token, and we establish the proposal fee, vote fee, and we define a proposal struct to track the creator description and tally of votes. All right, so when we deploy the contract, we pass in the address of our ERC20 token and set the exact cost for the fees. Okay, so all right, so this is where the token mechanics come into play. In the create proposal function, we charge the user the proposal fee. This is done with a try catch block around the token transfer from call. This is because external token transfers can fail for various reasons. This can happen. It can happen because user hasn't approved the contract to spend the tokens, or they just don't have enough funds. And then if the transfer succeeds, we build the proposal and add it to our array. If it fails, the catch block reverts the transaction with the error message. Okay. So the vote function uses the exact same try-catch safety mechanism, but we charge the vote fee instead. And then it increments the if the token transfer clears, it increments either the yes or no vote counter. Okay, so let's take a look at the automation script real quick before we run our little test here. So start around line 8. So we get the test accounts for the remix, deploy the mock ERC20 token, deploy the voting system. Keep in mind we are in Ether version 5, so I had a little discrepancy with the versions, so make sure you that's paid attention to. Deploy the voting system, mint tokens to the user to approve the voting contract. This part here mints 100 tokens for the users 1 and 2. Connect users and approve the voting system to spend the tokens. Create a proposal for user 1. Vote on the proposal. User 2 votes yes. So user 1 votes no. So this is kind of demonstrating here just for you'll see it in the terminal. These kind of come out. So let's go ahead and run that. Compile here. And run. Okay, great. All right, so we got the owner account. Mock token is just deployed to. Voting system is deployed. Minting tokens and sending allowances. We have the approval for users 1 and 2. Then we have the casting votes, and then we have the details of the fetch proposal. All right, and that is all we have for today. And yeah, thanks for everything.